Self-introduction. 100 daily use English shadowing practice. Listen carefully, repeat after me, speak loudly and confidently. Before start, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get next video you first. Okay, let's start. Basic greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome. Introducing yourself. My name is John. My full name is John Smith. You can call me John. I'm happy to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I'm from Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka. I was born in 2000. I'm 25 years old. I'm a Bangladeshi. Talking about your family. I come from a small family. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents. I have 1 brother. I have 1 sister. My father is a businessman. My mother is a teacher. My family supports me. I love my family. Family is very important to me. Education. I'm a student. I study at a university. I'm in my final year. My favorite subject is English. I enjoy learning new things. I study every day. I love reading books. I'm improving my English. I practice speaking every day. Learning English is my goal. Job and profession. I work in an office. I'm an engineer. I'm a teacher. I'm a businessman. I work from home. I enjoy my job. My work is interesting. I have a busy schedule. I work 5 days a week. I love what I do. Hobbies. My hobby is reading. I enjoy traveling. I love listening to music. I like watching movies. I enjoy cooking. I play football. I like photography. I enjoy gardening. I love swimming. I spend time with my friends. I wake up early. I exercise every morning. I eat healthy food. I drink plenty of water. I go to work by bus. I usually have breakfast at home. I like coffee. I enjoy walking in the evening. I sleep early. I try to stay healthy. Personality. I'm friendly. I'm honest. I'm hardworking. I'm responsible. I'm patient. I'm confident. I'm optimistic. I'm polite. I'm kind. I'm always ready to learn. Dreams and goals. I want to speak English fluently. My dream is to travel the world. I want to become successful. I never give up. I believe in hard work. I learn from my mistakes. I enjoy new challenges. I always do my best. I believe in myself. I keep improving every day. That's all about me. Thank you for listening. It was nice talking to you. I hope we can be friends. Let's keep in touch. Have a wonderful day. See you again soon. Take care. Goodbye. Nice meeting you again.